Okay, so we are going out tonight, you guys. Who am I? I'm gonna be leaving the house. Super excited. This is only my second time leaving the house like at night since I've had Cyrus. So yeah, I'm gonna get all ready. My girlfriend's having a birthday party. It's themed with modern Renaissance fashion, so, or inspired by modern Renaissance. So that's why I got the ruffle top and the corset. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I'm kind of leaning towards the black fit, but we'll see what I end up putting on. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready and drive into Toronto. So we're gonna have a fun time and just see where the night takes us. I probably am not gonna drink because I'm still breastfeeding, and yeah, I don't want to have to like pump and dump tomorrow, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready, so come along with me.
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till we dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood, I'm talking loud, dark blue perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gonna say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit, but I hate this. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you and your hands are blue for empathy, blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you touch this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all called in that little baby drink. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that they came home sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs. Unless I write it down for real. P.S. P.S.
Let me know what you guys think of this makeup. I was really feeling it, and I made a point to like stick to the basics so that it would turn out flawlessly, because I feel like when you try to do something new, it just totally goes awry. So anyway, you guys can see I'm feeling myself, makeup on point, and let's hop into getting dressed. So this is the look, you guys. It's really all starting to come together. The all black was like so cute, and yeah, I really like this hairstyle with the makeup and the fit. I just think it was perfect. I had a really fun time going out. I don't go out often, so I made it worth it. Let me know what you guys think of this look.
Single on the body, but nobody but you.